everyone, I'm Sneha Nahar and today I'm going to talk on the topic the world has become smaller place these days. Now, after listening this, many of you must be thinking that how come with COVID we all have been so distant, the world has become so distant. We cannot travel and those frequent flyers who travel to any corner of the world in hours are not able to do the same. So, how can you say that the world has become smaller these days? Yes, it has become. It has become mainly because of technology. Also, technology, if expensive, cannot be used by many, but it is so cheap that every individual is enjoying it. Internet is so cheap that everyone is using it, and this gives all of us the access to the world, and we can sit in the comfort of our room and know about each and every country in the world. We can not only know, we can attend conferences held anywhere. This conference can include people from different countries. And this is how Zoom, Microsoft Teams like platforms have helped us survive in this pandemic. They have also helped us realize that the world is a smaller place now and we do not need to spend much money and time on this as there are cheaper options available. Who could have imagined this a few years back? But this is the reality. The world has become so small that we have all the access possible right from one's bedroom. Did we ever imagine that a doctor from USA can conduct a surgery of a patient in India while not being physically present? Yes, this is how small the world has become today. If we imagine the world, we know that it is made of land and water. The land includes plains, deserts, mountains, and etc. And the water includes oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, and rivers. So now countries are spread across the world, and it was a task to travel from one place to another. Earlier, people used to walk and had a limitation. Then they used animals like, say, horses in the mountains, camels in the deserts, and so on. It was still difficult and limited. Then there were boats, ships, and cars, buses, etc. Now there are aeroplanes, helicopters to cover distance. No deserts, no oceans can limit our travel. So the world has become indeed a smaller place. I'm sure that the way we are progressing and have already covered the world, only sky is the limit. Actually, we have not limited at the sky. People are now traveling space to and soon master orators as organizers will have a topic next time. The universe or the galaxy has become a smaller place these days. Maybe now we laugh at this thought, but let's not forget that the earlier generation were laughing then at what we are doing now. Thank you so much.